Hi, I'm Jason Winbolt, Board of Education member with the Spring Hill School District and Region 1 Vice President on the KASB Board of Directors. To say we have never faced challenges like we are dealing with today is certainly an understatement. We were elected to lead our district using rules and practices that have been in place for many, many years. Now we are challenged to lead when many of those rules and practices have changed due to physical distancing. One of the best ways to find answers and ideas is to visit with fellow board members from other districts. So I want to personally invite you to our KASB virtual roundtables. The roundtable meetings will be from 6 to 7:30 on Wednesday, April 8th and Thursday, April 9th. Members of the KASB staff will discuss the following topics with you. What is the board's role with the COVID-19 public health crisis? The latest with the Continuous Learning Taskforce. The collaboration between KASB and other education associations. Communication strategies for boards and districts. Legal will have a Q&A session on such things as unemployment, length of school year, and negotiations. Lastly, we'll discuss dates and topics for board forums moving forward. You can register for one of the virtual roundtables on the KASB website. Just look for the workshops under Training and Events. Thank you for all you do for Kansas and education. If there is anything KASB can do to better support you and your district, please don't hesitate to contact KASB at kasb.org. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the KASB Virtual Roundtable.